All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ram ProMaster. It is the 1500 with 28,000 miles, white with the black vinyl interior, AM/FM stereo system, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage on the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks pretty decent. Seem to have a couple little dings, 1, 2, 3, right there on the hood. Fender looks good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice LC curbing. Your tire thread is under 730 seconds. Let me double check that. Under 430 seconds. Yes, it is. This door looks okay. This quarter looks pretty decent. I do see some dings from the inside of the vehicle out. Other than that, we look pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Or steel wheel. Tire thread is over 730 seconds back here. Of course, you got power windows, power door locks. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. It does come with one key and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. All right, got your AM/FM stereo system. Get your AC controls right down below. You have your cup holders right down here. Of course, this is what your instrument cluster looks like. As you can see, you do have tire pressure light on. There's your mileage of 2580. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. We're moving. Coming around. Rear bumper looks pretty decent. These doors swing out. Of course, this is what your rear cargo area looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is, because got some dirt and stuff like that, needs to be cleaned up, but they look pretty good. This weld has a dent right on the top. This one does not. Here's of course what one of these doors looks like. Of course, this panel is you can replace it, take it off, whatever you guys want. If you guys replace it, just know that it will be, here's this one. Just know that it will be broken in the future. See if this little ladder works out for me. Alright, do we have a ding here? A dent here, here. Looks like this backed up into something. Yep, some paint cracking there. Other than that, the roof looks pretty good. It does have a dent here. Looks like from the inside of the vehicle up. That's about it. Alright. Coming around, we do have some scuffing here on this corner. The rest of it looks pretty good. Here's a rear passenger rim. Steel wheel. Over 730 seconds. This door does have a heavy scratch here. About 3 or 4 inches. The rest looks pretty good. Your side cargo area and what that looks like. Very nice. This door looks good. Your front passenger seat. With no holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Your front fender looks good in your front tire here. Under 430 seconds. Lights are working. Car is running. Folks, once again, a 2017 Ram ProMaster 1500 with only 28,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.